I got the new upgraded one. The inside, I really do like this one, but one thing that I don't like is when I'm grinding that cheese, sometimes it gets stuck in there, and then if it doesn't come out, it all gets clumped in there, and then you have to try to pull it out. And then also, this thing is not very fun cleaning either. And then these just snap off. Both sides snap off, so it's a lot easier to clean. You have all these different kinds of attachments, so them out and we're going to see which one's better. On my countertop, this one still slips around every once in a while, but no cheese gets stuck in there. Okay, this is what I have problems with this one. It gets stuck inside there, and you have to stop, and you have to pull out that cheese, or it gets nice and clumped in there. So I do prefer the bigger one over this one, because cheese doesn't get stuck inside there for one. You can fit a bigger chunk of cheese right here. Easier cleaning because you can take the blades off. But once I start grinding that cheese, both of them I noticed have slipped. So my honest review from them.